It's January 1st. You've got a massive list of life-changing goals, but your brain has already marked them dead on arrival. 92% of resolutions completely tank by February. It's not a lack of willpower. Your brain literally thinks change is a trap. Think about it. As an adult, your routine is so repetitive that your mind goes on autopilot just to save energy. So when you suddenly force a massive new habit, your brain sees it as an unwanted intruder in its perfectly optimized office. This is the effort paradox. The harder you try to force a brand new identity overnight, the faster you sink. Why? Because 90% of your choices are purely emotional. Your logic wrote the goal, but your emotions are actually driving the car. So stop majoring in minor things. The 80-20 principle proves that just 20% of your habits cause 80% of your chaos. Instead of trying to change everything, build a fortress around your peace. Flip the script and protect your energy first. Create simple if-then triggers. If you run into a wall, you don't quit. You just use your backup plan. Remember the 1% secret. A 1% daily improvement doesn't just add up, it compounds. Over a single year, that scales into a massive 3,778% upgrade. Life isn't about finding yourself, it's about creating yourself, choice by choice. And you don't have to do it alone. Hit that subscribe button and let's hack the system together. Drop a
Hi.
comment below. What's your 1% win today?